Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to fix that Steam family mode not working. So for example, I'm just going to open up my Steam right here. Let me just expand it just a little bit. Perfect. Now this is going to be a Steam application, right? The first thing we're going to do right now is head over to the Steam upper left section, look for settings. Now once you're in here, locate the family section. So for example, if this is going to be already set up on your end and it's not properly working, what you want to do right now is turn it off and turn it on back, and basically repeat the process for twice or two times. Turn it off and turn it on again. Now once that's done, go to your library, like so. Choose the game that you're actually having trouble locating the family version. And in here, click on the settings, look for manage and properties. I want you to click on properties right now. In here, look for install files and look for verify integrity of game files. What it does is, it's fixing the problem or any bug that may occur in the game. Next up, you want to close your Steam. Locate it one more time on the search bar. Right so, right click and run as an administrator or admin, making sure giving it full authority for all bugs and firewalls. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.